Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill and today we will take a look at new LEGO Technic set 42166, and I'm really surprised that it is not a monster truck. Last year's all pullback sets were monster trucks from Monster Jam show. Yeah, this is a pullback set, but now it's a Neom McLaren Extreme E-Team car, kind of sport prototype. And it seems like era of monster trucks is ended. The box is pretty usual, nothing special at the back side, and it's inside the box there were 4 unnumbered bags with pieces, some orange pieces and a lot of black pieces. Of course, pullback motor, enormous sheet with stickers. It's a real challenge to place all the stickers. Of course, I will not do it, but yeah, for such a small set, it contains about 250 pieces, I think. There are too many stickers to my mind. And instruction, nothing special here. Of course, at the end we'll have a part list and a small photo of the original car. It looks pretty stylish to my mind. This set is a nice gift for all LEGO Technic builders who like orange color, because these panels are introduced in orange color for the first time. It's nice. In this set we have 2 panels. Also, these panels are not new but quite rare, and this set contains 4 panels of this type in orange, and it's the cheapest set with these pieces. And the same I can say about these connectors, because before this set we could find this connector only in expensive McLaren 42141, and there was only 1 piece of this type, and here we have 4. It's great. Also, this set contains a lot of black panels of different types, different shapes and sizes. It's cool and quite rare for LEGO Technic tires. It's not a rare piece. It was used in many LEGO sets, but last year's I think it's quite rare for LEGO Technic. Dimensions are 43.2 millimeters diameter and the width is 14 millimeters. All 4 tires are the same. Of course, we have pullback motor and 1 frame 5x7, 2 beams with perpendicular holes and some common beams, connectors and of course pins. So this is our model and it looks not bad to my mind, and I like the building process. It's more interesting than in previous monster truck pullback sets. Here we can find a few nice building techniques and some interesting usage of system pieces. And in general, yeah, it looks quite stylish, kind of off-road buggy, and nothing about functions, of course, because it's just a pullback set. Due to small wheels, it accelerates very well. And we can do some jumps and tricks with this model, but you should understand that these connectors are really fragile, and even after a few impacts to some soft surface, I have already some damages here. Regarding the pieces, set is quite usual. Yes, we have some interesting pieces in orange color, but there are not too many of these like useful pieces, and this set is not very cheap. It's not expensive, but not so cheap to buy it just to get a few panels in orange to my mind. But if you like pullback sets, then probably you will like also this one. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!